The petitioners, by the way of the present writ petition under the Article 226 of the Constitution of India, is praying for issuance of an appropriate writ, order or direction from this Honorable Court, directing the respondents, respondent number 1, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and respondent number 2, the National Board of Examination. 1. To publish the question papers with answer key and response sheet of petitioners having appeared in the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test for Postgraduate for admission to MD MS Postgraduate Diploma Courses 2019 conducted by the National Board of Examination. To quash and set aside clauses 3.22 and 11.2 of NEET PG 2019's brochure issued by the National Board of Examination, being arbitrary and malefic, violative of fundamental rights guaranteed to the petitioner under Article 14 and 19(1)(a) of Constitution of India, and also being dehouse and ultra-vires the provisions of Medical Council of India Act 1956 and Clause 9 of the Postgraduate Medical Education Regulation 2000 framed thereunder, and to re-evaluate and revise the result of NEET PG for admission to MD MS Postgraduate Diploma Courses 2019 and thereafter publish fresh merit list in accordance with law. The only question arising for kind consideration of this Honorable Court is whether the respondent, having been entrusted with the responsibility to conduct National Eligibility cum Entrance Test for admission to MD MS and Postgraduate Diploma Courses 2019, could withhold publication of question papers, answer keys including response sheet, and proceed with the examination process in an opaque manner by resorting to non-disclosure agreement incorporated in the admission brochure, dehouse the Indian Medical Council Act 1956 and Regulation 9 of the Postgraduate Medical Education Regulation 2000. The Honorable Court may also examine the legality and validity thereof of non-disclosure agreement clauses 3.22 and incorporated in the brochure. Hello everyone. According to the website live.in, there is an update regarding NEET PG 2019. Delhi High Court issues notice on plea seeking revaluation and revision of results. In an encouraging step for systematic accountability, the Delhi High Court has, while issuing a notice to the National Board of Examination and Ministry of Health and Welfare, instructed them to prepare all necessary documentation, that is question papers, answer key, answer sheets, that formed the basis of results of NEET PG 2019 within 2 weeks. Justice C. Harishankar was hearing a petition filed by 17 doctors disputing the results of the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test Postgraduate, that is NEET PG 2019, and demanding a fresh merit list based on re-evaluation and revision. The petitioners have also sought a direction to publish question papers with answer keys and response sheet of petitioners having appeared in the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test Postgraduation for admission to MD/MS Postgraduation Diploma Courses in 2019 conducted by National Board of Examination. Advocate Neha Rathi argued that without the relevant documentation, there is no way to determine whether the examinees were evaluated correctly, and the 17 petitioners were merely representative of thousands of the candidates who allege that they have not been marked correctly. These candidates also allege that there is a discrepancy between the number of questions that they attempted and the number of questions on which they were evaluated. Another prayer in the petition was a direction to set aside clauses 3.22 and 11.2 of the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test Postgraduate for admission to DMS and Postgraduation Diploma Courses 2019 brochure issued by National Board of Examination, being arbitrary and malefic, violative of fundamental rights guaranteed to the petitioner under Article 14 and 19(1)(a) of the Constitution of India, and also being dehouse and ultra-vires the provision of Medical Council of India Act 1956 and Clause 9 of Postgraduate Medical Education Regulations 2000 framed thereunder. The petitioners sought a response from NBE regarding these allegations, with some of them even filing RTI applications, but the NBE orally denied these RTI applications, citing a non-disclosure clauses 3.22 and 11.2 found in the brochure of NEET PG for admission to MDMS Postgraduation Diploma Courses 2019, which was issued in November 2018. The petitioner argued that the clauses 3.22 and 11.2 violate Articles 14 and 19(1)(a) of the Constitution of India, as they were arbitrary and ultra-vires, as they fall outside the scope of Medical Council of India Act 1956 and the Postgraduate Medical Education Regulation 2000. As such, the petitioner requested that the court duly strike down these clauses. They also requested that the court stays the process of selection on the basis of NEET PG 2019 while the matter is being decided. Justice Hari Shankar has instructed the NBE and the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to prepare both the necessary documentation as well as their responses to the petition by next hearing on Tuesday. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon. Also, post your questions in the comment section below. For more information, log on to www.gyanshetra.com. You can also contact us on the numbers given below, or you can ask your queries on WhatsApp. Thank you.